So, hello everyone. So today we're going to play with the terminal in Linux for a while, and here are the basic list of commands, and we're going to do one by one pretty quickly. And the first one is list the contents of the user home directory, including the hidden files. So it's going to be ls fun and you can see everything. The files which have dot prefix to all the folder names are the hidden files or folders, so even they are printed. And next, so as you can see, if I just type in ls, the dot prefix files or folders are not printed. So next, to list the contents of the var file, send and var. As you can see, this is my var directory, the contents of my var directory, and create two directories, dir1 and dir2. So we're gonna create to create a directory. It's gonna be mkdir, dir1 and dir2, and you can see two directories are created. dir1 here, dir1 and dir2. Now create a hidden directory with my name, so it's gonna be mkdir dot vinit. So it's a hidden directory prefixed with a dot period. So if I type in ls, I don't see anywhere the folder with my name. So if I check with to see the hidden files using ls -a, I can see mine in dot vinit. Here's the hidden folder. Now next is to change the directory dir1. cd to change the directory, it's cd, and dir1, as you can see, I moved from home to dir1. Copy the file etc password to current directory sample.txt. To copy, the command is cp from etc and its password to sample.txt. As you can see, a file is created, sample.txt, and the contents of the sample.txt. This is my etc password for directory contents. Next, change into home directory, cd, and I'm in home directory, and to see where I am, it's pwd and I'm in home. Next, create a file touch using vim editor with the following contents in it. So I need to create a file touch text1.txt. you can see there's a file test.txt. I'm sorry. Yeah, here you go. It's test1.txt. Now using vim editor, I need to edit the file. It's test1.txt. I'm in here. To insert the files, I need to press an I, so the insert option will be started. Now I need to enter name, reg number, interest. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna finish it and start the recording. So here I typed all the names, registration number, and research interest of the students. So to quit, you need to press escape, a colon, and write and quit. It's W and Q. So you're out of the folder. Now it wants you to display all the students' names for having research interest as grid students. So to print the contents of file in the terminal, we used to use the cat command and the file name. You need to pipe it using grep, and the research, we need to search for grid computing. So grep is used to search the content inside a file, and a pipe is to combine two commands together. So I use that, and I'm gonna see a list of students who are having grid computing as the research interest. Next, list all the students' names and registration number. Doesn't need anyone with a research interest, just needs student's name and registration number. So you're gonna use you're gonna use a cut this time. Cut is a command which is gonna split the columns inside the file. So cut, f is a field, as an argument for a field. I need since the first field is the name and the second field is the registration number, I'm going to use the first field and the second field and the file name. So as you're going to see, the first field and second field is printed. Since Caroline, this thing is combined, it's considered the first field, and next is considered as the second field, and they are printed together. So done. Next command is to display the content of the file test file without any blank lines. So as you can see, we had blank lines at the bottom, so we're gonna use grep. So we're gonna use there are so many commands for that, so we're gonna simply use test slash grep dot, and you're gonna see the blank lines are removed. As you're gonna see when I don't use the grep thing, as you can see, these are the blank lines which are printed, and without that, and with this command I'm not going to see any blank lines in my file. And next is to move the file sample.txt into test1.txt. Okay, we have created a sample file, so you have to move its MV. Okay, I haven't created a file sample.txt anywhere. ls okay, it's in cd1, so move home dir1 sample.txt to home dir2, and files were changed into dir2. As you can see, sample.txt is here, and rename the file to new.txt. mv sample.txt to new.txt, the command to rename the file. So you can see sample.txt is removed and the file is renamed to new.txt. Contains the same contents of the sample.txt. Next, remove the display the calendar of December 2020. Cal 12/2020. As you can see, December 2020 calendar is displayed. Remove the directory dir2. So we're gonna go back and rmr dir1. As you can see, only dir2 is present now. And next, display the last three lines of the test one. So display the last three lines, it's tail and number 3 and test1.txt. And since the last three lines are blank, you're gonna see this blank lines. Display all the commands you have executed so far. So they display all the commands you have executed, its history, and to redirect all these I'm gonna use history, and redirect is the greater than symbol to today's history.txt. So now this file is created, today.txt here, and we're gonna see what it contains. The same thing which history contains. Good. Now how many files are present? To see how many files are present, you're gonna press an ls and wc and -l. There are 23 files present in the current directory. That's it for the first experiment. Thank you.